Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Wildtrak. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the SAQUATCH Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice tow hook, backup camera, which is right there, mud flaps, rear park sensing, got a full-size spare tire, got fender flares, a nice gripped running board, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, fenders on the front, two tow hooks, you have a skid plate underneath, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back of the vehicle, we can have plenty of cargo space, little hooks to tie things down. You got a 12-volt outlet there, lights, storage cubby right there. Your body is molded to the outside color. Plenty of storage down under with your jack as well. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does have seating for up to 5. We have this nice beige and black leather interior, cargo net in the door. We can open our back windows from here. You do have a USB and a USB-C and a 110-volt outlet. And of course, you can fold this down for 2 cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats. The same interior we saw in the back there, but we do get the additional Bronco logo on the front seats. A bigger cargo net in the front. Your hood opener, parking brake, lights and blind spots just right there. And you do get a nice grab handle. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 33.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. You have your phone, voice, media, and your toggle for your screen there. You have your volume and cruise control just right there. Looking at your main screen, you can go from My View, Trip and Fuel, Off-Road, Navigation, Phone, Audio, and other settings. Continue your look here. We have a nice leather-wrapped gear shift. Bronco logo right there, speed adjusters, you have your G.O.A.T mode, 4-wheel drive, trailer control just right there. You can open and lock your windows from there, adjust your mirrors, cup holders, a nice little grab handle there, wireless charging pad with USB and USB-C, heated front seats, plus your dual climate, nice vinyl wrap steering wheel with tons of storage down there. You have your 360 view of the vehicle, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, the Bronco logo right there. We have our front locking differential, rear locking differential, trailer turn, traction and hazards. Plus we do get another USB and USB-C just above. We have 6 upfitter switches just right here. And this vehicle does come equipped with a hard top. Looking at this vehicle right here, we do have our audio, which does have Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation of course, little red dots have shown you where your vehicle's been, any apps you may have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle such as driving assist, zone lighting, and owner's manual. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is LA32571, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.